Well, let me just say, I already know this is going to be a colossal failure. There's a few things that I forgot to take into account when before I started. So I already scooped the dross off. So let's make some foam smoke. Shit. Strike two. Probably got my big old melon in the way too. Sorry about that. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna have all kinds of issues here. If this sees the light of day, it's going to be purely for educational purposes, because I think I did all kinds of things wrong here. So, but anyway, well, we'll let it cool down and freeze and see what happens.